Hello friends, this is Om Prakash. Welcome you all to Digital Marketing Tips YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how you can add article schema to your Webflow website blog. Before that, let's understand what is a schema markup. Schema markup, also known as structured data, is a standardized vocabulary that helps search engines like Google understand the information on your web pages. See, schema markup informs the search engine precisely what your content is trying to convey on your web page. It converts unstructured data into structured data. Adding schema will help the search engine crawl better, raising the website's ranking while keeping other best practices of SEO in mind. Approximately less than one third of web pages on Google use schema, which leaves us with a lot of room to take advantage of schemas over, over our competitors to improve ranking and gain visibility. When you add schema markup to your website, it will help search engines understand your content and make your pages more visible in organic search. In turn, you will increase your click-through rates and generate more organic traffic for your web pages. Let us see the example of an article schema. Yes, this is the example of the article schema. Here the bullet points and here the image. To generate the schema code, go to Google search and type schema generator, schema markup generator, and go to this site json-ld. Here you can see here there are various types of things we can add. You can add article schema, event schema, FAQ page schema, and how to local business schema organized in person. And in today's video, we will see how to add article schema. So I will select article. Here article, it is a blog posting. So type set and URL. And this is the URL and headline. Here, headline. As you are filling these things in URL, here the code is being created. Here UID, headline, and author. Author as a you can select person, or this is an organization, will select organization, and organization name is Norte team. And date published, you can select date published. As you can see, date published on 30 April 30. April 30. Modified date. So what will you do? Here we will copy this code and paste it in the Webflow website. Just copy this code and go to Webflow dashboard, and here go to blocks template settings and scroll down to below and go here to body tag and paste the code here. What I have done is just I have pasted the schema code for a blog post, and this is relevant to just one blog post, but we can use this use the dynamic content of our CSS to make this work for every blog post that we have or to be uploaded. make that, see the URL here, and here we have to add field, add slug. Okay, in the headline, add field name. Okay, this organization, this nothing to be changed, no tech team, and here for the image, add field main image. Okay, blog posting and date published, and here change to add field published on. Okay, published on. Before that, let us check, is there any schema in our website? Just type in Google schema checker, schema markup checker, and go to Google and copy, go to schema markup validator and paste the URL and run test. As you can see, no items are detected for the URL. Check for website domain URL. Test. As you can see, no items are detected. Now go to dashboard, and these are the settings we have done. Then just click save and then publish website. Now let us now let us now let us check, is schema is generated, article schema is generated in our articles. For that, go to schema markup validator and copy the article URL and paste here and run test. As you can see, the image is a headline, blog posting, type of organization, and no title. And these are all things without errors, zero warnings. And let us check for domain. In this website, how many is the this website? Just test for any schema code and run test. Copy the URL and paste it here. As you can see, the article schema is generated, blog posting and date published. Let us check for, is this done to other blog post also through CMS, and now checking for other articles. For that, schema is done or not, schema markup code is added in the Webflow website or not. Let us go to schema markup validator and paste it and run test. See the name and publish date URL. In this way, you can add article schema to your Webflow website blog. Thanks for listening. If you have learned anything from this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much.